In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma progress bar animation. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping progress indicator. You can drop into your designs without any hassle. Start with your Figma file open. Look toward the bottom of the Figma interface and click the action icon. This is the quick way to bring up options that help you find resources and enhance your workflow. If you don't see it right away, hover near the bottom toolbar and watch for the icon that opens a small menu. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma lets you browse and run community tools inside your file. It's handy because you can search and launch plugins without leaving your canvas, which keeps your focus on the design. In the search field, type Animations. This narrows the listing to tools and resources focused on animated content. You'll notice several options, but for this workflow, you want something that provides ready-to-use animated assets. Select Icon Scout. Icon Scout is a well-known source of icons, illustrations, and motion graphics that plug right into Figma. Opening it here lets you browse and preview animated elements without downloading files manually. Give it a second to load so the search bar and categories appear. Inside Icon Scout, click on Search to activate the search input. This ensures your next query filters results across the entire catalog available to you within the plugin. Next, click Animations. This refines the results to animated formats instead of static icons or illustrations. You should now see a grid of motion assets that can be added directly to your file. In the search field, type Progress. This tells Icon Scout you're looking for progress bars and loaders specifically, so you get options like linear bars, circular spinners, and segmented indicators. Take a moment to preview a few so you can pick something that matches your style and brand tone: minimal, bold, or playful. Finally, choose a free option and click Add as GIF. Using a GIF ensures it will play automatically on the canvas and in prototypes without extra configuration. After it's added, you'll see the animated progress bar on your frame. It behaves like any image, so it will sit neatly in your layout and loop to convey loading or completion states. If you're designing multiple screens, you can duplicate it across frames to maintain consistency. That's it! You've sourced, searched, and placed a polished progress bar animation directly inside Figma using Icon Scout, all from the built-in plugins and widgets flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding smooth, purposeful motion to your designs.